What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. This video here will be me kind of breaking down the Discord that I just recently started that you can join if you would like to. And this is kind of for the people who are already joining. I'm not an expert at all at Discord. I'm learning just like everybody else, but I do have a little bit of understanding of how things are set up. And I just want to tell you what to do to go where and what to do on our Discord. You feel me? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I don't want it to be too long of a video. Just want to break down some things just to give you guys a little insight on some of the functions of it. Like I said, I'm still learning, but as you see, this is the Discord A10 that we Energy A10 that we got going on. Server stats, kind of self-explanatory, just showing you who's all involved with the channel, how many people are doing what. That's nothing that you will really care about, right? All of these here, welcome. The ones with the bullet points, those are all categories. Now, in each category, there's a channel. So if you want to go to, like, for example, if you want to go chat and we all go chat in one community area, you have the community chat. And each under the community chat, as you see, there's different channels. Announcements channel, which is where I will be posting things that you guys should be aware of or paying attention to that pertain to the Discord or my YouTube channel or something that's important. You might want to check that out daily to see if there's anything in particular that shows up. Next, we have the community chat where everybody can go and chat about whatever is in the Discord or just whatever. That's where everybody will go. So when you first come on to the Discord or as you're here, just to get in touch with anybody, I mean, you can get in touch with anybody leaving a message anywhere, but I'm trying to focus it in the community chat where everybody can go to one spot and just talk about whatever they want to. Then we also have, right after that, the future wish list. Now, this is for everybody who's a part of the Discord who might be looking for a shoe, something that they want that's coming out in the future. When you post a shoe that you're looking for that's coming out in the future, especially if you're part of the paid membership, you would want to include your size because that's something I will be looking out for. I'll get to what the paid memberships will be. At this point, this is not paid. It's free for everybody, and I have pretty much everything visible, so you guys can go through the Discord and see everything that's available. That's going to be available to you. So yeah, future wish list is where you will post an upcoming shoe that you might want, and I recommend and suggest that you include your shoe size, even if you're not a member part of the paid series of the Discord, because we have in this section, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but the trusted reseller. Well, we have a couple people in the Discord. I have a couple people in the Discord who I work with and know very closely who are resellers. So if I'm not able to get a shoe for people who are going for my service, one of these guys might be able to help you. And this is a platform for you to be able to go and kind of go off of my word by trusting. So that's what the whole trusted resellers is. But future wish list, you want to put the shoe here that you're looking forward to, that you would like to cop. Make sure you include your size because somebody might be able to help you out, whether it be me for retail if you're part of the membership or the paid plan, or one of the resellers for whatever their price is. You feel me? So that's what the future wish list is. You can leave comments there. I believe you can, leave pictures there and let us know what you guys are thinking about the shoe. Okay. The next channel under the community chat is what are you copping? Now this here is an area for everybody part of the Discord to show what they come up on, what you guys go to the store and buy. I would love for you guys to share your come ups, whether they're shoes or cards or clothing. Just show what you're copping. Show us what you're copping when you're going out there. It's kind of self-explanatory, but that's where that section will be. Next, we have something that's kind of fun that I've added to the Discord that I've heard is pretty good for interaction. It's the counting channel. So you have the counting app. What this is pretty much we're going to count to 1 million. And as you come here one time per day, you add a number to the group, to the chat, to the count. So I started off with 1. OG, the kid, went with 2. Then we got Drawn with 3, Kiet with 4, and we're going and so forth till we get to 1 million. I want to see how active we can get this. So every day you come onto the Discord, if you don't mind doing that, let's see how big we can get this community and people participating and stuff like this. So definitely go to the counting channel under the community category for you to be able to contribute to this. You feel me? Next thing we have is sneaker news. Now, this is where I myself and a few other people, I believe the moderators on the channel, will be able to post upcoming sneaker news that's relevant to what we're doing here. That's where the sneaker news will be. If you guys want to check it out, leave comments, leave emojis, leave responses, let me know. But that's what the sneaker news is. It's a shoe and like a newspaper. Sneaker news channel. You feel me? Let me bring that back up. So, I mean, once you kind of see one thing, you understand what it is. But let me just break it down a little bit more. So, like I said, all these bullet points are the categories. Then under the categories, you have channels. Under the welcome channel, that's just something that welcomes you, lets you know that you came here. Me 6 will let you know, we're welcoming, 10 lines to the Energy 810, Discord. That's what that's for. All you're going to do is see that message when you come in. And then if you want to start chatting with everybody, I recommend and suggest that you go to the community chat. So that's where you go for the general chat. Rules is kind of just letting you know what we're about here. We're not going for any BS. We want to keep good energy, positive vibes. You know what I'm saying? If not, then you can just remove yourself. Suggestions is self-explanatory. You can post suggestions that you would like to see at the Discord, maybe recommend some bots or something like that. Because like I said, this is a newer thing for me and I'm still learning with it, but I'm going hard with it also. So if you have any good suggestions, go ahead and add them there under the welcome. Bossco, YouTube, self-explanatory, but I'll let you know. This is where I will be posting things that are from these different channels, as I have channels on YouTube. So under the Bossco YouTube category, we have Bossco Mitchell, which is the main channel. I'll post my latest video there also. We have the Bobby Thrift, which is Bobby Thrift. You guys know about that. Bossco 2.0, which we will be putting more content on, but that's where a channel for that will be, as well as a channel for my live stream if you guys want to just watch them on the Discord. You feel me? Let me know what you guys think about that. But that's what's under the Bossco Mitchell YouTube category. Membership services, if you guys are able to see this, you might not be able to see this if you don't have some of the permissions, but this is what you're going to see. This is what's going to be here if you do decide to sign up for my paid membership, which is something I already have on a YouTube platform. You guys know about that, but we were going to slide it over and integrate it into the Discord situation, which will be dope and a lot more convenient. As you see the layout, you can just do a lot more, and I'm very excited about it. But if you are going for the paid membership part of it, you will have Welcome to the Service, which will break down what the service is about and what you can get and what's offered to you. But really where you want to go is what's inside Foot Stores. Now, in this part is where, if you're new to the channel and new to the membership on YouTube, this is where I will be going to post all the shoes that I see in person, live in effect. So if you have the Discord, or if you're part of the YouTube Instagram, the Instagram chat, rather, you guys will see what I'm posting in real time. If you guys see something here that you guys want and you're part of the membership, you can then message me what shoe you want and the size you want. And okay, if you're new, let me explain it to you. I will go ahead and pick the shoe will be retail plus tax plus shipping. Send me that via Cash App or PayPal, and then I will buy the shoe and ship it off to you. That's how the membership works. So if you sign up for my membership and I'm able to help you with sneakers, it's all sneakers, not just retros. It's all sneakers and apparel, as you guys will see. Just go ahead and sign up for the membership, which I will make available very soon. I'm just putting some more things here and letting people see what's going on before I add anything to pay for. Right now, everything is kind of like in beta. It's free for you to check out and just roam around and have fun with. So we have the Foot Stores. That's when I'm letting you know what's inside the Foot Lockers, the Champs, the Shoe Palaces, all the main, the Dick's Sporting Goods, all those main retail stores. Then I also, because I do retail arbitrage, if you did not know, I posted the wrong picture there. I will also be going to, the Rosses and the Burlingtons and the TJ Maxxes and all those type of discount stores. I will post those finds and sneakers and apparel in this channel. So if you're also part of the pay membership, you will now have access to that. On YouTube, I kind of allowed it a little bit, but it was never promoted that you can get the retail arbitrage items for that also. But that's what the In Discount Store channel is about. Will be all my thrifting finds, Goodwill, Marshalls, all those type of stores. On the next channel, we got the raffles. So everything that I do as far as raffle go on my channel, I will post that here. So stay tuned for that. You guys have seen we've been coming out with some banger raffles, and we're going to continue that, especially with the support of you guys joining in on the raffle. Right now, we're currently doing a Jordan 4, as you guys see right there, the Red Thunder. 75 slots. We're not to 75 now as I'm filming this. We're a little lower than that. So that's where all the raffle information from my YouTube channel will be. Then we have promo codes where you will get a few people who are moderators on my channel putting promo codes that you guys can go ahead and use online. This is something that will be a game changer and be very beneficial to you, especially if you're somebody part of the paid membership and you like to shop at other locations. That's something you definitely might want to consider. Next, I have member pickups, which will be all the shoes that I ended up picking up for those of you guys who are part of the member services. These are some of the things I found for previous people, and with plenty of more to add and that have been there. But this is where that will be under the member services. So if you want to see what I've gotten before or see your shoe, that's where it will be. So that's under the member services. If you're able to see that, that's where that will be. Bossco shop category is exactly what it stands for. It's my shop. It's what I will have available for you if you want to get it from me, and it's not, something else that I found. For example, sneakers. When I go to Ross, Burlington, Marshall, stuff like that, if you don't happen to find it when I first see it and I end up buying it and you want to get it later, all those sneaker finds will be here. My eBay finds will be here. Goodwill finds, sneakers will be here. All the men's apparel that I come across will be posted here with the price. Well, with the price, or you can ask me about it. This is a mistake, and I put a women's tee there by mistake, but all the men's apparel will be here. Then we have the channel for all the women's apparel that I do have available here, as you see on the next channel. And then Bossco's yard sale will kind of be a little bit more of miscellaneous accessories and other things that I do sell, because if you did not know, I do have the Bobby Thrift channel where I do sell a lot of things besides sneakers and shoes. I sell a few other things too, and all of that miscellaneous stuff will be posted here on that channel underneath the Bossco category. So you guys know how to switch and go through the categories, by the bullet points. You just hit the category you want to, the menu drops down, and all these hashtags are different channels. That's how you can find where you're trying to be. We got the community chat, which we talked about. Then we got sports, news, and entertainment. We got the emojis right next to it for what that category is about. You guys are you guys are free to add things to this content about hoops, football, baseball, football, soccer, any funny memes you guys see online, anything about music. We got stuff on there about music. I just put some things there. Well, not for that. I put a few things there to give you guys an idea of what we would like to have in these categories. You guys can post and comment and leave stuff like that, or either react to the post and then go to the community chat and talk about it there. You feel me? Either or. For the most part, we want to have everything in the community chat, but I will open up chats in these areas too, especially as more people start using them. So we got a channel for music talk, got a channel for movies that you might want to talk about and speak on. The Matrix 4 is coming out. That's something I'm looking forward to. Vehicles, not really I don't know a lot of details about the cars, but I do like the cars. And if you guys know, lately, I'm a fan of the i8 as well as the Tesla. So if you guys see cars you guys want to talk about or put in there, go ahead or comment on the cars that I put in there. And then I also added this recently because it is something that is important in all of our lives. Food and drinks. When you guys go out to your restaurants or go out to the bars or go out to wherever you're at, go ahead and post some of the things you guys eat or drink. We would love to see that. Maybe give other people ideas when they go out, because I know sometimes when I go to places, I might have a hard time of picking what I want. But if I have a place I can kind of go ahead and see maybe some options to try while I'm out, go ahead. And if you're somebody who does post a meal, maybe give us the details of what it is or where you got it from. You know what I'm saying? So that's what the sports, news, and entertainment is. Trusted reseller will be trusted resellers that I have. I'm only going to have about 2, maybe 3 people who I trust and know, and they will have it set up there too under that, where they have sneakers available, apparel available, and if they sell other things besides sneaker and apparel, that will be there. Their prices will be their prices, and there will be a worked out shipping situation, so no matter what, you'll be good there. Everything will be self-explanatory. I'm still working that together, but right now I do have drawn down. I believe the homie Sneaker Cycle is going to be involved also, and maybe one more person. But I think that would be a beneficial thing to add to this for you guys, like I said, who don't get shoes from me for retail or couldn't find it for yourself for retail. You guys want to deal with a trusted reseller online. These are 2 or 3 people that I will recommend putting, my reputation on the line, because they're involved with the service of what I'm doing. And I think that's something that's going to be added to this platform and make it really dope. So stay tuned for that. Voice channels, the VCs, we have some here, but I will get a little more detail with these. But these are like game chats. If you guys are gaming and you guys want to chat through the VC, you guys can do that. Listen to music. I got 2 game chats. slide that up. Two game chats, one music, and one general. I'm gonna get a little bit more busy with this whole VC side of things to make that even better for you guys. But right now, this is what we're doing. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask me. It's your boy Bossco. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.